Hi, I'm Dr. Holyoak. I attended the surgical extraction course with Dr. Koerner. I mainly took the course to learn how to do better extractions. Those are some things that I really enjoyed about the course, was watching the instructors lay flaps. We did a lot of wisdom teeth at the course, which was interesting to see. I really enjoyed the course because it gave me insight into medical histories, medications, things to look out for. Also post-operative care, instrument design, which instruments to use in what situation, how much torque to put on a tooth, sectioning, all these things that I didn't really learn in dental school. I was able to get a good feel for what can be done and in a safe environment. We were busy the whole time. We had 8 to 10 hour days. Really nice instructors. It was an awesome course. I highly recommend it.